While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level task. It is generally well known among digital money aficionados, essentially because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and the crucial center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to plan and work on savvy contracts, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called quietness. ETH 2.0 is the expansion of the Ethereum structure with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and predictable stage-wise uncovering with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to decrease the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the blend will expand its asset utilization execution incredibly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the Union are presently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the Union. Ethereum specialized in key investigation. The whole digital money market experiences capricious cost unpredictability, going with the speculation choice and altcoins seriously testing. Be that as it may, according to our estimates and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and speculation altcoins. ETH digital money confronted enormous negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath $2,500 by January 2022. In continuation, due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH cryptographic money has checked gigantic unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $1,800 and $1,100. Presently, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,656.13. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the primary motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers ceaselessly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, consequently searching for preferred choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. Simultaneously, the ETH value conjecture of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.40 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long estimate uncovers that the ETH cost might be $4,489 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost figure. ETH value forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination in cost vacillations, Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for 2023. In examination, the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,450 and $2,650. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation in specialized investigation, it very well may be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $4,100. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,300 and $3,700. Ethereum value forecast 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $4,300, $5,150, and $6,000 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum value expectations 2026. Our Ethereum figure uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $6,200 to $7,500, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $6,850. ETH coin value expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum estimate, the coin might have a possible high and expected low of $7,600 and $6,400 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $7,000. Ethereum crypto value expectation 2028. As per our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7,800 and $9,300 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $8,550. Ethereum coin value forecast 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $12,200 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $9,500. The typical worth is supposed to be around $10,850. Ethereum value expectation 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 showed the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $12,500 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $15,555 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $14,028 in the year 2030 in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market in general. And, with Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto specialists. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise speculation exhortation in any structure. Complete your own exploration to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Nonetheless, do your own intensive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your venture targets to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this positive thinking. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important speculation. Gave you plan all your venture choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have essentially a worth of $14,028. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany shrewd agreements. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate Ethereum a wise interest as far as crypto swapping scale esteem in the long haul. There is no demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly without high gamble. Will Ethereum rise? Indeed, ETH will rise. The ETH cost will take off as the market recuperates. The cryptographic money costs are supposed to come to the $6,000 mark by 2025. Thus, every one of the individuals who are befuddled and asking will Ethereum crash can take on our response, no, the ETH costs will rise. Yet remember to do your own